Hello learners, welcome to online course on disaster risk reduction and management. I am Dr. Pratima Dhoke, professor at Srimati Manorama Bai Mundle College of Architecture, affiliated to Rashtrasant Tukloji Maharaj Nagpur University and Council of Architecture, New Delhi. This proposed Swayam MOOC online course is an initiative in line with the promise of Honorable Prime Minister of India to make the nation safer and more resilient to disasters by the year 2030. The course aims to develop a comprehensive understanding of disaster risk, casual factors, impacts of disasters, various other issues like social, political, health involved, and disaster management strategies. This online course is a 3 credit course of 12 weeks duration. Eligibility for enrollment: the students pursuing undergraduation in disciplines of architecture planning and built environment studies can opt this course. The objective of this online course are to enable the students gain knowledge about various disasters, to equip students with policies, guidelines, and legislation for addressing the disaster risk reduction and disaster management, to make students understand managerial concept of disaster management and disaster risk reduction strategies. Learning outcomes: after studying this course, the students shall be able to describe the basic concept and principles of disasters, disaster risk reduction, and disaster management. They will be equipped with the knowledge of the various approaches and technologies for disaster risk reduction. They will develop an understanding of various political, social, and health related aspects. They will understand the role of communication and media and future job related prospects in disaster management. The entire 12 weeks program is divided into various units. Unit 1 mainly covers Introduction to Disasters, which will include phenomenon, definition, types, impacts, and effects. Then, various types of disasters like natural and man made, climate change, global warming, evolution, present and future impacts, conservation measures, and adaptation strategies. Technological disasters will include industrial, chemical, biological. It will be followed by case studies on earthquake, floods, fires, etc. Unit 2 will cover all topics on disaster risk reduction. First, hazard vulnerability and risk. Then, principles of disaster risk reduction, which will cover significance, strategies for risk reduction, cost benefit analysis. Role of disaster risk reduction in personal safety will cover preparedness, steps for survival, do's and don'ts for major disasters. Technologies for disaster risk reduction will cover disaster warning, significance of National Building Code, use of satellite imaging, IoT based drones, GPS, environmental protection and conservation, followed by case studies. Unit 3 will be on disaster management, which will include definition, cycle, phases, provision in Disaster Management Act, role of National Disaster Management Authority, National Disaster Response Force, state and district authorities, integration of disaster risk reduction in state disaster management plan and district plan, managerial aspects of disaster management. Case study will include case studies on cyclone impact and disaster risk reduction, Jaipur IOCL depot fire. These units shall be covered in 40 modules, 2 to 3 modules per week. Each module shall have 4 quadrant approach, namely first quadrant will be e-tutorials consisting of video lectures and engagement time will be about 35 to 40 minutes. Second quadrant will be e-content that will consist of text material, summary illustrations and engagement time will be 45 to 60 minutes. Third quadrant shall focus on web links, open source content on the internet, research papers and journal articles. The engagement time will be 45 to 50 minutes per module. Fourth quadrant shall include students' assessment consisting of 10 to 15 MCQs and assignments of short and long answer questions. This quadrant shall also include discussion and interaction through open forum and clarification on general misconceptions. The engagement time will be 1 to 2 hours. The final evaluation and credit award shall be based on formative assessment of assignments of 25 marks and summative assessment in form of online exam of 75 marks. Thank you and best wishes.